Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the error message that says the application was unable to start correctly with the code 0xc0000142. First, try running the application as an administrator. Close the application if it is open. Find the app icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. When the permission window appears, click Yes. Wait a few seconds and check if the application opens normally. This step fixes the issue in many cases. If the error still appears, the next step is to update or reinstall your system drivers. Outdated drivers, especially graphics drivers, can cause this error. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows finish the process. Restart your computer after the update. If updating does not help, you can reinstall the driver by right-clicking the device, selecting Uninstall Device, then restarting your computer so Windows installs it again. The final step is to install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Download both the x86 and x64 versions from the official Microsoft website. Install them one by one. Restart your computer after installation and try opening the application again. If that does not work, you can try reinstalling the application that is giving the error. Thanks for watching.